Okay, good morning. I'm trying to look half alive. I'm trying to do this Vlogmas thing. It's not working out for me because, like, my life is hectic right now. Tony has a driver's permit test today. Woohoo, yay Tony. But mom's freaking sick as hell. And the car still has a flat. So I couldn't just jump in my car and take him. So we had to figure out a way. So guess who's coming to save the day? Yes, my cousin Eugene. So, because my mother is working and yeah. So I have about 2.2 seconds. It is currently 9:45 and we gotta be there for his appointment at 10:30. I had to get Angie ready for school, take her off to school, take the dogs out, go next door, take that dog out, take a shower in a matter of like half an hour. So anyway, I guess I'll take you along with me. I don't really know. I look like shit. I mean, did I pull it off though? Because if you see me like how I was last night, really underneath this stuff, I look dead. I look dead. I'm dead. But that's besides the point. Let's carry on. This is the shit we do. We just gotta do what we gotta do. Keep it moving. And that's it. I hope he has everything he needs, because you know, he should. Anyway, I'll see you when we get there. Fingers crossed. Oh boy.
This is a piece of shit.
Yeah, that's what Tony just said.
Is this the form?
I guess so. Just stand behind there with that paper open so he knows you're waiting for him.
I'll stand behind that guy.
No, stand behind here where she told you to stand.
My last name is Lucas. I don't want that fucking guy.
You have to stand here behind this road test thing. That's all they said.
Names. They're calling names. They took my ID.
So, continuing Vlogmas, we're now at the DMV. How do you think you're gonna do, Tony?
I think I'm gonna do fine. I want my collar like this. I thought it was like this. I wanted to be like this in my picture.
I don't think you're gonna take a picture.
I'm taking a picture. That's why I took a shower. Well, I would have took a shower anyway.
I don't think you're taking a picture.
I think there's a camera right here.
Well, I hope you do, because let me see your ID. You got it on you or no? Never mind, don't worry about it.
I have it on me.
Anyway, don't worry about it. Is this yours? No. Anyway, I wish you luck, son. Hope you studied real hard.
Yeah, I sure did.
I could say it, but I can't make him do it, guys.
Can't be mad until I fail.
I'm not mad. I have very high hopes for your son.
Yes. For 11 o'clock, a little early.
Yes.
Stop.
This is what I print out for.
I'm ready.
Got the original one, I brought that one.
You ready to what?
Take the test.
Over now. I'll check back with you guys when he passes his test. I think you gotta wait 6 months before you can take your real test, huh?
No.
You don't?
Because I had my permit before, so it's different.
I'm gonna ask her.
The guy
told you?
I thought, when I failed, he told me. That guy had a cheetah, like a little cheetah, like, toy. He
Yeah.
told me, no cheetahs.
She didn't make you.
You're right. Maybe it's just a pen.
Yeah.
They need.
Okay, people. He's not late. You're late. So.
They have my ID. They took it.
Yeah. So that means you're in.
Yeah.
Now serving 913.
You have the power.
Now serving 913. Now serving 854 at station.
Good news, guys.
Congratulations. Thank you. I knew I was gonna pass it. I told you. See, now say you're sorry.
I didn't say you weren't gonna pass it. I said.
Now you gotta do your road test. Yeah. I know how to drive. I've been driving. Drove on the highway. I drive around all the other.
Excuse me, but you can't
It's not
say
the place to
that.
talk about it. It's not the place to talk
Exactly. Are you about to cry?
Yeah, I
Are you
am.
so excited you're gonna cry?
No, I was nervous in there.
I saw you.
Every question was passing because when you fail, it just stops you.
So you thought.
So I got to the 20th question where I failed last time, and I was like, oh my god. So I went past it. I was like, oh. And I did the next one. I was like, oh. And then 22, it just stopped me because I had already passed it.
All
If I got the
right.
last two wrong, I still would have passed.
You probably would have still, yeah.
Yeah.
Probably would have got them all right.
Yeah.
Good job. See?
I
See
got
what
3
happens?
wrong.
She's leaving us. She's going with Uncle Mikey. I love you. Love you too. Have fun. She's been waiting all week for this. All right, go, because they're waiting for you.
I love you so much, baby. You have a good time. You got your phone, right? So you better FaceTime me. Have a good time.
They're coming in. I heard the door. Okay, bye.